Hello everyone and welcome back to the Odious Soul. Great news, my cousin Jerome helped me go to the store and get a whole bunch of lumber so I can make those raised beds. So right now I'm thinking of doing 3x12, 18 inches high, and do 3 of those. So let's see if I actually do what I planned, because you know, sometimes I change plans along the way. All right, everybody, so I have taken some time to cut the wood, and I have brought all the wood to my site. To start off, I have 1x6x12s. Well, actually, I think they're actually technically 5/4. But still, I got 6 of those for the sides, and I'm actually going to start off by building those sides. I also have, let's see here, that same board, only I cut it into 34 inches long, and then I also have 17-inch tall 4x4s. Now the reason why I did 17 inches is because when you put 3 of these together, it comes out to like 17 and 1/8. So I figured that is kind of where I wanted height wise. I didn't want to have to be putting these boards on a table saw and trying to cut them myself. And one more thing to note while you watch me build this is I forgot to buy exterior screws or decking screws. So I'm just going to be using drywall. Don't be like me if you want things to last a really long time. Drywall isn't horrible, but it's definitely not the best, but it's what I have in the size that I need. I actually have 3-inch and 4-inch screws. I prefer to use a 3-inch to start off with, but the 4-inch will work if it has to. So we'll see. We'll see if I need to go to the 4-inch ones. How long do you look for a drill bit that you lost in the grass before you give up and go get another one? And here I have the 4x4 with the 3 planks on top of it because I want to screw into the 1x6s and not the 4x4. So I'm basically just going to go in a straight line down, 2 screws per board, and we are good to go. 1 12-foot side down, 1 12-foot side to go. All right, I'm hot, I'm sweaty, but both 12-foot sides are done. So now time to prop them up and put some ends on. And voila, we have a 12-foot long garden bed by about 36 inches wide. Very spaced very nicely on the edge of my property here right in front of Sammy's house. Very excited at how it turned out. It's not 100% perfectly square just because it is sitting on a slight decline here, so I kind of went with the terrain so I wouldn't have gaps underneath, but I'm very happy with how it turned out. As you can tell, I'm tired and I'm winded and I'm hot and I'm sweaty. Like, look at that sheen, man. So I don't think I'm gonna fill this tonight. Whew, I just don't know if I have enough in it. Moving enough wood for 3 beds was exhausting. My cousin's truck, he had a high rack, so I had to lift up the wood to him. Oh my goodness, it was exhausting. Terrifyingly. I've made me realize how much I'm out of shape. I used to go to the gym. I used to do things. I used to pick things up and put them back down. But anyway, well, thank you for watching. Like I said, I'm planning on making 3 of these total, but after seeing how much energy it takes to build one because of the weight of the wood, it's probably going to be a slow process. It's summer, it's warm, even in the evening. Like right now, it's what time? 7:41, and it's still just muggy and humid. So it will look like it's more of a work in progress. Hey, but you gotta start somewhere.